Hi, I'm Sean Kelly, and this is your Marine Aftercare walkthrough. I'd like to walk you through all the products that you had with your aftercare kit that you received after having your DNA ceramic coating. Now, it's important to know the different things that you have available to you and when to use them, and also maybe the best practice to get the most effect and to also create some efficiency. Because reality is that you want to save some time, and if you're out boating all day, you don't really want to have to go through a ton of detail work when you get back. So this system has been created by us, as we do use this in our service business as well, to create efficiency. And these are some of the things that you're going to notice as you're using them. Normally with ceramic coated boats, you're not going to use soap too often, but when you do, the detox soap is here, and it is a silica soap. So there is some level of a film that gets left behind. That's the whole point of the film formers that are built into it. So what does that mean? You're probably gonna have some anti-static properties, but again, soap is not really needed all the time with a ceramic coated boat. You'll find yourself using Regenex and the Dry Lux towels more often. So the most efficient way to soap down a boat, believe it or not, is just to put that soap in a spray bottle with water. So basically think of it as a mobile way of having that on demand wherever you walk around the vessel. That also gives you a chance to do less. You can just have that spray bottle sitting away in a compartment and bring it out when you're ready. What became our new way of speeding through washes was the Max Wash towel. And that is one of the easiest ways. You can put one in each hand. You can cover a lot of surface. It's very smooth, slides across the surface, but remember, microfiber is the master cleaner. So this is why the Max Wash towel, along with the detox soap, will be the best combo that you could have during the time that you want to soap down the vessel. There are a few times that you might need to lift, like embedded soil. There's a few things that happen in the environment around us throughout the year. You get soot. That soot sometimes will get stuck down to your cushions, even with a ceramic coating. However, it will not embed itself into that material. The important thing to know is you have a booster if you need it, and that would be our Cleanse Grime Eraser. That product's also really nifty for if you have some hard stains on the decks and you just need a little bit of extra detergent to lift it. Think about other ways to use it, like removing hard fish guts that you left on or missed. That's kind of where that product will work the best. Because ceramic coatings actually carry very little UV protection, they actually work with the material that they're bonded to, which is a myth in the industry, by the way, that ceramic coatings have UV. So just remember that one. But because they do need an additional source of UV protection, the Regenex is the winner. This is what we call a blanket protection. The reason being, you can put it on everything. Now, Regenex can be used as much as you want, but we do have two different versions. We have the indoor and we have the outdoor. An indoor vessel doesn't see the sunlight very often. So for that reason, your effectiveness of your coating is gonna be double, and it will even carry the same for your aftercare products. And the outdoor is gonna be needing more frequent use for high UV areas. So that could be your hard tops, it can be your gunnel cap. Regenex is as simple as using a spray detailer. It can be applied in a linear fashion with a microfiber. Even if the surface is a little damp, it doesn't matter. So that makes it easy. You can just kind of dry the boat a little bit and apply these products, and it does not need to be applied to every surface all the time. A few key benefits to using Regenex is 1, UV protection, 2 is non-stick anywhere you put it, and 3, it will provide a really smooth surface. So these are all 3 things that are gonna be of benefit by using this on your washdowns. And if you do, you will see that your ceramic coating actually lasts way longer. And just to give you a little bit of context there, let's just say a ceramic coating goes 12 months in high UV area and then needs to be refinished. Well, you might actually take it 4 to 6 months longer. That's a massive difference. It's like anywhere between 30 and 50% more. So remember, this is kind of one of the magic tricks for maintenance. This happens to be my favorite product of all, and it's the boater's favorite product as well, the Dry Lux XL. We call this a gunnel wrapper because you can lay it right over the gunnel. Why can it dry so fast though? There's 2 things at hand there. One is the ceramic coating that you've had installed makes it hydrophobic on the surface. The only thing that that water wants is to get off the surface. So once that Dry Lux flies by, it's gonna pick up that water instantly. The other thing, why can it pick up so much water? Well, the weight of this towel, the way it's designed with some of the best plush microfiber you can get in the marketplace, and it is highly absorbent. If you were to just soak this 3 quarts, it will pick up and hold. It will crush the other drying utensils that you've had on board. Promise 50% reduction in drying time. And also remember, microfiber cleans as you go. So you're actually picking up more of the dirt or film off the boat as you're drying. So it's a very, very simple way to collapse your process and save a lot of time. What do I use for my in-between details? What about the inside of our yacht? All the different surfaces that are there. Is there anything easier to use that's faster and more effective at just getting through our simple cleanups? Yeah, there is. Slick was created just for those who wanted to clean the windshields, their sunglasses, their instrument screens. It's also created just for the interiors of yachts. It's wonderful on glass, can be used on matte surfaces as well. Wonderful in showers. Anywhere you put it, it's going to be hydrophobic and smooth and non-stick. I can't think of another product that's as fast to use as Slick, but also as effective as it is. If you just need to do a quick detail, Slick is gonna be the one. It does have a little bit of cleaning property in it so that you can remove light grime, black streaks, whatnot. Regenex, remember, is just a protectant. So if you're just trying to do a spray detail cleanup, go to the Slick AF. Many of you have asked, what else can I do on top of the metal? When we coat aluminum, the glass coating itself is not very smooth. And there's some of you who are fanatical about actually keeping everything at its best, and I love that. But the Luminex ceramic wax is gonna be the one that you can use in your interval maintenance on top of the metal that's already coated to your hard top or your gunnel cap. You can also put this on your high UV areas to give an extra boost and a little bit more longevity. But Luminex is so amazing that it does have the ability to be just as good as a coating on glass when you look at yachting. If you have vertical still glass that's not getting windshield wipers over it and it's just getting washed and clean, this is the absolute best ceramic wax you can get in the marketplace right now that can actually replace the need for going out there and doing costly ceramic coatings. And I know this because I've done this for a very long time and I've done both. Okay, so Luminex would be your go-to if you want to boost your glass on your yacht, if you want to boost your metal that's coated, or if you just want to be that guy that wants to wax over top of things and keep everything at 1000%.